So what is the meaning of a productive day? The word productive itself is very cool and shiny, and telling people that I've completed this number of tasks in a day really makes me feel that I've achieved something in a day. But what is the meaning of a productive day? What Google says to have a productive day means actually working productively on your highest priority activities. It also means hitting targets and getting results that helps move project and task forward. For me, a good productive day looks like I'm working on my YouTube videos, learning a new skill, spending a time with my family, or fourth reading a book or maybe doing a workout. But being productive for you can be different, and I strongly feel that one should always redefine it personally for ourselves. So this is exactly what Nathaniel Rue and Thomas Bragg said in one of their videos.
Creative process is, I think it's almost like an entire lifestyle. Right. It's like all of the time that you take off from work, the times that you're like washing the dishes. I don't have a dishwasher in Paris, so I hand wash everything. That is creative time for me, and it's very productive. Like I have all kinds of interesting ideas. You need those pauses, you need those breaks.
But they are experienced people who have millions of subscribers and business. But what about us, the small YouTubers, students and freelancers? To really find it out, let's take a closer look on my own story. So I did ask myself these two questions, that why I wanted to be more productive and what really stopping me from being productive. So in the month of April when I came back on YouTube, तो मैंने एक decision लिया that I will be utilizing my whole 24 hours to the max. So I set few goals for my YouTube channel and for my life, that I will be making one YouTube video per week and I will be reading one book every month. During this experiment, I saw videos of many popular YouTubers like Matt D'Avella, Ali Abdaal, Thomas Frank, and Captain Sinbad, Nathaniel Rue, and many more. Even though I also started using this cute little keypad phone to detach myself from the internet and focus on my daily task. And I also started using the popular apps like Notion, To-Do, Reminder, and I completely switched to the analog system, writing things down daily on my diary, which really helped me out. But the question is, after trying these hacks, was I able to see any difference in my productivity level? Now the second question is, what really stopping me from being productive? I'm really not sure how many of you guys ask this question to yourself, but for every individual the reason can be different. Just like for me, consuming a lot of digital content, overthinking, procrastination, and not sleeping on time was definitely the main issue. It's just not with me or you, it happens with everyone. And yes, I do spend time on the internet, I still procrastinate a lot, and I definitely overthink a lot. But this was not the main problem. The problem was with our system. We as a human being, we go through all of this every single day, and we always told to set goals in our life, just like I did with myself by promising one YouTube video every single week and including all the other objectives. But did I even focus on the system, like how I'm going to post a video every single week without burning out, how I'm going to learn a new skill without procrastinating, what my daily routine going to be looked like? No. And what you may be thinking at this point, that goals are completely useless, but actually this is not the truth. James Clear said in his book Atomic Habit that goals are good for setting up the direction, but systems are best for making up the progress. I was spending the time in completing those goals, but I was really not focusing on the system that allow me to progress and complete all my objectives of the week without procrastinating, overthinking, or without burning out. So that is why having a system is really important in our life, that really allow us to progress. So the 3 hacks that really helped me out, that really allow me to being productive in a week are. So one of the main hack that really worked out for me as a freelancer or a YouTuber is just to wake up at 7 a.m. I just have a cup of tea with my parents and then I instantly go and take shower and then I start my day. And the reason why I'm saying is this, because you really have to treat this like a job. Although it's not like a permanent job where you have a fixed schedule, but you still have to follow some routine, right? So the moment I sit on my chair, it feels like I am sitting here for a mission. आज दिन में मुझे कुछ mission complete करना है. and then I turn on my PC, and after that I start making my to-do list जो मुझे आज मिशन पूरे करने हैं. So the reason why I'm saying is this because कि morning cold shower gives you a quite boost for your day. You feel fresh and it is the best time to learn, especially from 10 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. I think you should utilize this time in learning new skills or maybe upgrading your skills. Stop doing multitasking, and I think it happened with me a lot of time, especially when I'm watching a content or maybe learning something. तो मैं अपना फ़ोन उठा के जो है कुछ भी चेकअप करने लगता हूँ, नोटिफिकेशन आया क्या, मैसेज आया क्या. सो दैट रियली स्विच्ड योर लाइक अ फोकस. आपको कोशिश करनी है कि आपका फोकस जो आप टास्क कर रहे हो उस पर पूरा एकदम कंसंट्रेटेड होके वो काम कंप्लीट करो. So one of the thing that I really liked about this is कि I started using the keypad phone. So I use keypad phone for all my important calls. I don't use my main iPhone, especially when I'm doing a main task of the day. Thanks Fixme for sponsoring this video. So 2 महीने पहले जो है मेरे iPhone की स्क्रीन जो है डैमेज हो गई थी, एंड उस समय जो है मैं फ़ोन रिपेयर सर्विस ढूंढ रहा था. बट उस समय जो है लॉकडाउन लगा हुआ था और कोई भी जो है लोकल की शॉप ओपन नहीं थी. एंड इन द पास्ट ऑल्सो मैंने अपना फ़ोन जो है लोकल शॉप से रिपेयर करवाया है और मेरा अब तक जो एक्सपीरियंस जो है उनके साथ अच्छा नहीं रहा है. सो एट दैट टाइम आई फाउंड Fixme डू डोर टू डोर फ़ोन रिपेयर सर्विस विद फुल क्लैरिटी एंड ट्रांसपेरेंसी ऑल ओवर इंडिया. सो दिस इज़ समथिंग दैट आई रियली लाइक अबाउट देम. ये जो है फ़ोन जो है आपके सामने ठीक करते हैं. To get your phone repaired, you just need to go to their website. After that, you just need to fill out the form. वहाँ पे आपको अपनी फ़ोन की डिटेल्स और प्रॉब्लम्स लिखनी पड़ेगी. एंड आफ्टर दैट यू कैन सिंपली रेज आउट द इंक्वायरी. उसके बाद जो इनका कस्टमर केयर जो आपको खुद कॉल करेगा, यू कैन नेगोशिएट द प्राइसिंग, जो भी आपकी प्राइसिंग होगी. एंड आई रियली लाइक देयर प्राइसिंग टू. आफ्टर दैट उनका एजेंट जो है आपके घर पर आएगा और आपकी आंखों के सामने जो है आप अपना फ़ोन जो है सही करवा सकते हैं. सो ये चीज़ जो है मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी थी, स्पेशली अगर आप दिल्ली में रहते हो तो आई थिंक कि ये सर्विस मुझे तो चाहिए ही थी, क्योंकि मैं रिस्क नहीं ले सकता था क्योंकि सारा डाटा जो है मेरे फ़ोन में ही है. एंड एज़ यू ऑलरेडी नो कि अगर हम लोकल शॉप्स पे करवाते हैं तो क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं, इशूज़ आती हैं. सो दिस इज़ समथिंग दैट आई रियली लाइक्ड अबाउट देम. अगर आपको भी अपना फ़ोन सही करवाना है तो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में जो है लिंक दिख जाएगा वेबसाइट का इनकी, और मैं आपका फ़ोन नंबर भी ऐड कर दूंगा जस्ट इन केस अगर आपको अपना फ़ोन जो है रिपेयर करवाना होगा. So yes, that's all. Thank you Fixme for repairing my phone and for sponsoring this video. So less is more when it comes to being productive, especially in the weekdays. So third tip that I really want to give out at this point of time is adding a key objective in your to-do list. So in the past I have used both analog and digital system. For me both worked very well, and especially nowadays I use a Microsoft To-Do app and it works very nice. It is very clean and very minimal. Just simply आपको अपने task लिखने हैं and you just need to simply click on that after your work is done. So this is the app that I really use for the digital format. So for the analog system, I use a diary that I bought from the Amazon. To start with the day, I simply write the date on the top. After that, I write all the 4 to 5 tasks, main task only. उसे जो है मैं कोशिश करता हूँ ज़्यादा फिल ना करूँ, उसमें सिर्फ जो अपना मेन जो ऑब्जेक्टिव दिन के रखता हूँ. Just like I need to script a YouTube videos, or maybe I need to start with the After Effects project. Only these set of tasks जो मतलब आप कोशिश करें कि जितना कम होंगे उतना ही आपके लिए ज़्यादा बेहतर है. आप उसे कोशिश करें कि पूरा ना फिल करें. So once the task is complete, you just have to simply scratch it, and that scratching sound and that moment really gives you a sense of a joy. मतलब मज़ा आता है आपको. So even though Peter McKinnon has also done a video about this, मैं उसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा या फिर आप खुद देख सकते हैं. So yes, that's all for this week video guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I hope कि आपको इससे कुछ सीखने को मिला होगा. So yes, thanks for watching and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.